Oh, I'm a Survivor Sanctuary has made a Christmas video. This should be interesting.
So the crown fits a little bit small, but not to worry. Those things are... Okay, so it's just a little bit small. We can adjust that too, though. Not to worry. No, there's only 3 kings, Bucky's. There's only 3 kings. It just doesn't fit you right, Cornholio. No, it's just not really your look. Okay, that'll work. Let me see one more time. Guys, we all have to do our fittings, okay? This is just, we're doing our kings first. It looks really good on you. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you're the
You're scared of being an angel?
Okay,
Wait, you're scared of being an angel? Why are you scared of being an angel?
And a headband.
What if you want to be a little devil? Baby, you're the angel. You have to whisper in her ear and tell her, look, like this. Just watch how I'm going to do it. Psst, you're going to have a special baby. You do that, and then we'll be done with this part. And then we'll go to our costume party. Hurry.
No,
Oh, no.
Stop, Kitty.
Oh, no.
Stop with the one.
Okay, baby, hurry. We got to do this scene. All right, then. And Dan,
Hi, baby.
Trudy was trying to let Dan know that we're doing a Christmas play, and he needs to be a part of it. Yeah, Dan...
Your part's coming up. Your part's coming up.
Dan's part is coming up in our Christmas play, and he was just not really feeling it. And Trudy's like, Dan, if I have to be in this Christmas play, so do you. And Dan's a little bit jealous. He didn't want to be the donkey in the play.
No, you wanted to be baby Jesus.
He wanted to be baby Jesus, and Pig Trudy, yeah, she got that role. She earned that role. Oh, this fire feels great. I have some good news. I had taken the donkey off to the pond to allow him to drink and eat. And while I was on the hillside, I noticed something. If you notice in the distance, the little town of Bethlehem, I believe we'll be there by tomorrow if all goes well. All right, stay by the fire. Yes, just stay by the fire, and I shall go back and tend to the donkey. I love you, sweet girl.
Okay, I love you too. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee rise.
Move your hands.
I'm trying to get the hair out of my mouth because it's really...
All right, go.
Rooms for rent, everybody! Right here, rooms for rent. Only 20 farthings. Why spend a night out in the cold when you can sleep in here for just 20 farthings? Rooms for rent, everybody.
Come on.
Right here,
Wait,
rooms for
listen.
rent. Only 20 farthings.
Did you hear that? There's a room. We can fit a room in that inn right across the street.
It's so expensive.
It is expensive, but you know what? I have to take care of you. You're freezing in here. Come on, let's go to the... We can make this. Just stay with me. Come on, stay with me. Come on, my love. And that's what Ellie's gonna... Let me have the rope. That's when Ellie's gonna examine and see that you're with child. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dan, settle down. No, come here.
Yes, you there. Would you like a room?
Sir, yes, please. We're freezing cold. The night is very bitterly cold, and as you can see, we were in much need of...
Is she pregnant?
Oh, yes, but what would that matter, sir? You don't understand. My wife is freezing. It's bitterly cold out here.
I'm sorry, we don't have any more rooms available.
If you have no rooms, is there any place you could...
Well, if you'd like, I guess I can offer you that barn over there. That's all we got.
The stables?
Yes.
Sir, you don't understand. This child is a very special child.
That's the best I can do. I apologize.
Are we okay with this, love?
I think we have to.
We have no choice. Thank you, kind sir. Dear love.
Oh my God.
It's okay. The donkey's been put away. Now let's find a place to lay you down. I need to apologize. What I want you to do is come on, Lenny, is walk up to Pebbles. Walk over to Pebbles and say, tell your shepherd, go to Bethlehem. Say it now, go. And action. Say, tell your shepherd. Then tell Pebbles. Say, huh?
I need a potty.
You got a potty? Well, let's go then. Tell your shepherds. Say that. To go to Bethlehem.
I don't know what to say.
Okay.
No, Cornelio.
Cornelia.
There. Okay, he's over there. All right, now walk over there so I can see you and you go behind. I want to see him behind you. All right, turn around. Now say it. Cornholio's not going to bother you, baby. Okay. All right, we'll try. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. And say, tell your shepherds to go to Bethlehem.
Tell your shepherd to go to Belleville with him.
Bethlehem. We three kings of Orient.
Everything's about to change.
Bearing gifts, we travel afar. Field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Come on, baby. Come on, love. Lay down, Mama. Lay down, baby. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Trudy. Lay down. You need lay down. Come on. Trudy! Trudy! She took all the food! Trudy! Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. Lay down.
You okay?
Yeah. Did I say?
You did.
Whoops. The stars in the sky shone down where he lay. Jesus asleep on the hay. What is she doing in here?
Thank you, I'm a Survivor Sanctuary, for using your farm rescues in an attempt to tell the story of my birth. Although I don't remember it happening exactly like this, it was still entertaining and super fun to watch. And like your motto says, we're all survivors of something.
Come, they told me, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum, a newborn king to see, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum, to lay before the king, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. Rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. So to honor him, rum-pa-pum-pum, when we come. Little baby, rum-pa-pum-pum, I am a poor boy too, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum. I have no gifts to bring, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum. That's fit to give the king, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Shall I pray for you, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, on my drum?